Shake and Wake is the ultimate alarm clock tool for Android users. You will have the chance to control every aspect of your alarm for the first time. User-friendly and clean-cut interface will enable you to use Shake and Wake in its full potential. Saving your time and easier navigation are always one of our primary goals. Shake and Wake alarm clock tool will let you personalize your alarm's repetition days or weeks, vibration interval, incremental sound, flash speed, screen colors, snooze intervals, number of snoozes, alarm validity period, barcode scan intervals, number of barcodes, and much more. Shake and Wake alarm clock is designed in different modes, because we know that everyone is unique and has different needs. After you try and find out your alarm clock mode, you will not oversleep or miss another event. Shake and Wake and enjoy.